What's up, y'all? Jack here, and in this video, I'm gonna take you through the exact process to land a job as a digital closer, making 8K plus per month. Let's go. All right, so we're back. This is the last of a series where we teach you how to make 105K a year as a digital closer. And now we're talking about partnership. This is one of our most frequently asked questions. How do I find a position? How do I find a partnership? And to be honest, that's the easy part. And I'm gonna show you right here in this video. A lot of y'all know what we do. We talk to hundreds of people every day about digital closing. We train people on digital closing. We link people with partnerships. And the thing that we hear once in a blue moon, AKA once an hour, it goes like this. I already have all the skills I need. I know how to sell. I know how to close. All I need is a partnership. And the truth is, if you had the skill, if you had everything you needed, you would have a partnership. Part of having the skills is actually knowing how to find a partnership and how to reach out to companies and get hired. Also, with that said, being an elite closer takes training every single day. Every day you take off, the worse you get. You got to be in the field and training every day. It's not something that you learn once and you know it. It's kind of like a diet. You practice it, and you stick to it. So for everyone that's looking for a partnership, I'm going to give it away right here in this video 100% free. We're going to discuss two things. Number one, how to find these partnerships, and number two, applying. All right, so let's hop into the computer and get started. The first place that I'm going to recommend is you go to our Facebook group. It's 100% free, 100K closer. Inside of here, if you just scroll down, you're going to see people that are looking for digital closers. We're looking for 10 closers for the financial niche. Crazy. We're looking for closers and appointment setters, 120K base, 5K qualified. Now, if you hop into these groups, you friend Fred Summer here, reach out to him. What I will say is we do our best to vet everyone that comes into the group. We're not 100% perfect. So make sure you do your own research on these companies and make sure that they're in alignment with what you do. If they're trying to sell you something, a lot of people make posts in here and they're trying to sell something on the back end, then it's probably just not a legit position. Okay, so you can keep scrolling. There's gonna be more and more. This is where I would start. We're gonna come back to Facebook in a second, but now we're gonna go to Indeed and I'm gonna show you how to look up high ticket closer jobs on Indeed. So super simple. You type in high ticket closer, where remote, hit search, and you're gonna see all the positions that come up. High ticket closer for Blue Moto Media, VP Ecom LLC, 500 a week, urgently. Remote senior sales executive, SDR for high ticket sales. High ticket closer, Burns International Incorporated. So you can see here with Burns International, $7,000 to $14,000 a month. Now, is that guaranteed? Probably not. But you can see that people here are making this amount of money, and this is where you want to start your search, right here on Indeed. Check out the website, do some research, and see if it's something that will be in alignment with you. This is going to be one of the easiest ways to find high ticket closer positions. Now we're going to go to LinkedIn. So now we're on LinkedIn. We're going to go up to the top, and as you can see here, search high ticket closer, United States. Now when you do this, you're going to see how many results, 13,000. Okay, so you can do on-site or remote. That'll narrow it down a little bit. There's going to be 2K plus results, and that's going to give you exactly what you're looking for. Sales closer, 7,000 a month. Closer for marketing company, doesn't say a number. Talent heist, remote notary closer. Those are good positions. I just hired one of those. Remote mortgage loan closer, 22 an hour. That's an hourly job. So you can see a lot of opportunities right here on LinkedIn. Okay, and all you got to do is hit apply here and go through the process. In just a few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make a video to apply to these positions. And here's another way that you can find digital closing positions. I also wanted to add, if you are looking to get in as an appointment setter, not a full closer, you can always look up appointment setter. And so we have 1,500 results here. Super simple. You can see all of these positions available, all of these people hiring. All right, so that wraps up LinkedIn. Now I'm going to take you back to Facebook to show you a couple other ways that you can find positions as a digital closer. All right, so the first thing you want to look up is ClickFunnels official group. Okay, somehow I am not in there right now. I was in there. I might have removed myself, but if you're looking for a digital closer position, that is the best group to be in. You can go right in there, and I'm going to do a different group, high level job network. Okay, this is a software that is used for marketing agencies, and marketing agencies are always looking for sales reps. Okay, so let's do hiring sales, and let's see what comes up. Hiring sales agent, hiring sales reps, hiring sales, hiring closers, hiring sales sharks. I like that. Hiring sales assistant, hiring a setter, And so you can see all these opportunities in here. If you do this in 3+ groups that are in your industry and reach out to the people that posted, you're gonna find a position. Here's another example of a group, Millionaire Consulting Community. You can go in here, type in hiring, and you can find positions or people looking for an appointment setter or a closer. Hiring appointment setter, hiring a DM setter, hiring content director, hiring appointment setter. So you can see these opportunities are literally everywhere. And you gotta get into these groups and you gotta start messaging the people who posted. Simple as that. All right, so let's do a quick recap on where you can find these positions. Number 1, in the Facebook groups, just like this. You'll go here, you'll go to the group, and you'll search hiring, or hiring closer, or hiring appointment setter. Here's another one, 5 to 10K opportunity for rockstar closer. Great. Then you're gonna go to Indeed. You're gonna type in high ticket closer or high ticket appointment setter. You'll get a list of opportunities. Finally, LinkedIn, super simple, do the same thing. You're gonna make sure you click jobs, and you can use these filters to actually get a better search result. You can't say the opportunities aren't out there, they're right here in front of your face. All you gotta do is apply to them. And that brings us to what we're gonna talk about next. All right, so now that you have found a partnership, it's super important to know what companies want. What do they want? They wanna see confidence. They wanna see assertiveness. They wanna see if you can hold yourself in a way that shows that you know what you're doing. So companies, they're always gonna say this one thing: I want experience. I need people with experience. But what they really mean when they say that is they want someone who can do the job. And a lot of times, the best closers, the best setters are brand new, young, hungry people that are gonna go out there and they're gonna hustle. We see people all the time who are just getting started, who have just been through some training, who step in there, get a position, and blow it away. So if that's you, when you're applying, never lie. Always keep it real, always be honest. If you have no sales experience and you've been training, just say, hey, I don't have a lot of experience, I'm new to the industry, but I've been training, I've been drilling, and I'm willing to give it my all. And then focus on the attributes that you do have, that you're relentless, you're a hard worker, you're gonna hustle, you have a background in sports, you're a people person, and you're ready to get to it. So you're gonna use all of this to your benefit. So what I'm gonna teach you to do is a little bit different than everybody else. I want you to stand out. You're gonna shoot a video along with your application that's gonna introduce yourself and highlight who you are, what you do, and why you're a good fit for the position. The first thing that you wanna do is you wanna go research the company. You wanna find out who is the owner, what is the offer, what is the industry? Check out their social media page, like some photos, comment, and engage on their posts so you're making yourself known. And now that you know about the company, you're gonna get the data that you did and you found in your research, you're gonna add it to your video. And if you got value, if they taught you something, if you saw something that caught your eye, make sure you add it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take out your phone and you're gonna say, hey, my name is Jack. First, I wanted to congratulate you on your 2 Comma Club award. That is an amazing accomplishment. Not too many businesses have had the opportunity to actually hold one of those, so congratulations. I've been following your journey for the past month or so, and I just wanted to say thank you for all the value you've given. You may not even know, but you've made an impact on me. I'm all in on what you're doing, and because of this, I want to join your team. I've been in sales for a short time, blah, 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 blah. I'm an athlete, I work hard, I'm ready to go get it, and I will literally give it my all to be a part of your team and be a part of your company's growth. Thank you so much. Look forward to seeing you on the other side. Boom, now you have your video, you send it in with your application, and they're gonna see it, and it will showcase how you hold yourself, how you communicate, how you talk, your confidence, and it's gonna give you a much better chance of landing this job, especially if you have very little experience. So before I wrap this up, this is how we do it. You need to apply to 5 positions every day. If you do this for 2 weeks, you're gonna have a position as a digital closer, and that is simply it, okay? This is how you find a position to make 8K plus per month as a digital closer, and I'm telling you, it's the easy part. You're gonna find way too many positions that you'll never be able to apply for before you find your position. If you actually do what I said, take out your camera, film a video, and get hired. Let's go.